Hi everyone. Today I'm here to share some tips for designing user-friendly websites for beginner developers. First of all, let's start by discussing some of the basics that all websites should strive for. Tip 1. Understand user intent. Before getting started with design, it's important to understand the intent of the user so that the website can be designed accordingly. Tip 2. Choose the right colors. Choosing the right color scheme for your website can help set the tone for the topics that the site is discussing. Use color to create an atmosphere that users can engage with. Tip 3. Utilize simple navigation. Keep the navigation between pages balanced and intuitive. A great way to make sure that users can find their way around your website easily. Tip 4. Strive for consistency. Between page layouts, elements, and designs, consistency creates harmony and increases the usability of your website. Tip 5. Test the responsiveness. Make sure that the website looks great on all platforms and devices by testing the site's responsiveness and ensuring the design adapts to the user's environment. Tip 6. Stress test loading times. Long loading times can be really frustrating for users. Make sure that your website is loading quickly across all platforms and browsers. Tip 7. Organize and group content. Establish a hierarchy for the content on your website. Organize and group meaningful content together to make it easy for users to quickly find what they're looking for. Tip 8. Incorporate visual elements. Incorporating visual elements throughout your website, such as photos, videos, and illustrations, can really help draw the user's attention to the most important pieces of content. Tip 9. Incorporate accessibility options. Make sure that users with disabilities have full access to your website content and ensure that all your elements are accessible to screen readers. Tip 10. Minimize points of frustration. Make sure your website is free of any common web design missteps that can cause sites to become confusing or difficult to navigate and use. These are just a few tips to help beginner developers design user-friendly websites. I hope this was helpful and informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Goodbye.